cut off. Yeah, it's like, I would call that a cut off. Exit dive. Really? Horsey.
It wasn't just legal, it was amazing!
Yeah, right. He says, it was never about those kids. And I'm like, well, that's the first honest thing you've said in the entire
Exit dive.
But then, Doubting Thomas goes, well, you weren't trying to convert him?
Exit dive. Sorry, Altard.
Words of the First Amendment, and continuing in that spirit, we believe the White House Correspondents Association
No, stop.
should take stronger action by issuing from the podium a forceful...
How the KJV handles the word, how it translates a bunch of different words all to the word
red light run, red light run, red light run, BM double douche. Yeah, that guy making a left. Really? Exit dive behind me. Screwborough.
It baffles me that there's a whole organization that people are obviously making millions and millions of dollars off of, inviting people to
Red light run.
No.
No, stop behind me. BM double douche.
Don't take care of widows with kids. That's what you're saying?
I mean, you know what I
No, stop.
I do not know what you know.
Okay, so
At the exact same time, I attempt these lyrical acrobats stunts while I'm trying to be able to break a motherfucking table over the back of a couple of faggots.
Red light run.
Whole idea. Fine. Cried. I know.
Red light run.
200. He took care of you and kept you safe, but you couldn't handle any controls because they weren't for you.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
sit down, stand up, pass out.
No, stop.
Wake up, fade it.
Red light run. Nice cut off and nice cut off again.
For me? Sure. She went to RADA, the Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts, like that.
Exit dive-ish? Or not?
Let me say this. Either she went
Nice
to
cut
RADA,
off.
or her IMDb is live.
Yeah.
One of
Okay.
those two things.
I got you now. This is a weird turn, right? Because she hates everything and she's drunk all the time.
Really?
And he's like, pretty sure what you really want to be doing is helping sixth graders act in a
Who says no to alien butt stuff, though? I mean, come on. Nobody says no to that. Are we kidding? You're absolutely right, though. He's saying be discerning, and you
Nope.
think, I don't even know that you know that.
It is but one of dozens, and not the largest. Shanghai, Calcutta, Batavia, Bangkok. They are widely spread, and they are the answer to feeding the billion and three
left turn
of the East.
dive behind me.
And yet, said Viley,
Nope.
That's how good you are. And we're also excited to welcome back.
No, Ann. My son. You know Ann in my secular.
Red light run.
Exactly. No, not exactly.
Hey guys, what you doing?
Oh, hey, Karen. We're just getting ready for my New Year's resolution.
By having Keith hug you from behind.
That was red light run
No, Karen,
over
this
there.
isn't a hug. It's my motivation. If I
Be much farther along advanced than we are now. All right, we're going to take a short break. We'll be back right after this.
I'm Hannah. I've lost 75 pounds to see if you qualify.
Over you see it. With a
Exit
gift
regret.
trusted for generations to help people get the moment right. 1-800-Flowers. With double blooms from 1-800-Flowers.
Exit dive.
And they can bring up real feelings,
No
real
stop.
experiences. And you know, this plan was, I sort of came up with this plan when there was like still all these taxi thefts.
When the same people were in charge?
Right, yeah.
It looked one way on paper.
And then all of a sudden everything shifted and I wasn't able to take advantage
Why
of the
you
tax
stopped in
credits.
the middle of the
And I had a moment
circle?
of
Now, you don't stop in the middle of the circle. You keep going. The people entering the circle yields to you. That's how these circles work.
We're both at war with Oceania, and we are not at
And
war
we
with
are not.
Oceania.
No.
We are like, so I just, let me read some of this because it is just so
Red light,
fucking wild.
run.
I'm sorry, I
Red
used my
light,
phone
run.
because I didn't log into my
Red,
New
red,
York Times.
red light, run.
His sister about what he really thinks of her, right? What he really thinks of Gloria, and this is right fucking there. Like, this is not one of those.
Pat,
She
the
walked
road's
back into the room.
that
and
way.
She just
What are you
hasn't
doing
walked
over
all
there?
the way up the stairs yet.
Stay-
She is so close that Kristen almost deceived her tiny skirt.
You're texting, aren't you, right? Yeah, you're doing something, but it ain't driving correctly.
He grinds her gears for a while. Jesus fucking Christ, it's so stupid. So they decorate. We get another one of these 18-second montages, right? Where they decorate.
Nice
to the
cut off
Christmas
and nope.
music.
during this moment because the cord from those Christmas
I mean, the
lights
cop
is-
was behind the barrier. You didn't really have to move over for him. Weird.
And I'm going to throw them in. So I think that the fact that both teams aren't comfortable in goal, and both teams, like we saw in the first game, can score at will. They have, you know,
Was that a
about
right turn regret? I think it
10 to
was.
12 players that
Got it. I was like, okay, I get it. You want me to calm down? And then they were telling me, just relax. Just relax.
No
Try to
trucks
take
in
this
the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We are in New Hampshire, and they're perfectly fine to be there. So it's all good. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!